Hey beauties! Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a product that might just be the answer to your hair dreams. If you've been thinking about switching up your look with a wig, especially one that's modern, easy to maintain, and gives you that perfect amount of volume and style, then you'll want to stick around for this review. We're talking about the Raquel Welch On Your Game Lace Front and Monofilament Part Short Wig in RL511 Sugar and Charcoal. Now let's get into the details, starting with the essential facts about this wig. This wig has an average cap size, and it's designed with true-to-life, heat-friendly synthetic hair, which is a big plus. What that means for you is that you can style it with heat. Yes, flat irons, curling irons, blow dryers, without worrying about damaging the fibers. It's designed to look natural while giving you the flexibility to switch up your look whenever you feel like it. The length is short, but with enough texture to add volume. Specifically, the front measures about 5.75 inches, the crown 5 inches, the sides and back are 3.5 inches, and the nape is 2.5 inches. So it's a sleek, chic cut with some edgy layers, making it versatile enough for everyday wear or to elevate your look for a night out. It's not too long to be high maintenance, but still gives you a lot of styling options. When it comes to wearability, the temple-to-temple sheer lace front ensures a seamless, natural hairline, and the monofilament part gives the illusion of natural scalp movement, which is a huge win for realism. Plus, the Memory Cap 3 technology molds to your head for a secure, comfortable fit, and with velvet-lined ear tabs and an extended nape, you get that perfect custom-like feel. I've had the chance to test this wig in real life, both styled sleek and smooth and in a more messy, tousled style. The styling options are limitless, but I have to say, I loved how easy it was to fingerstyle this wig for that cute lived-in look. The texture of the hair is really soft, and it's lightweight too. At just 2.5 ounces, it feels comfortable to wear all day without causing any discomfort or weighing down on your scalp. One thing to keep in mind is that since the fibers are heat-friendly, while you have the ability to heat style, I recommend keeping the temperature moderate to preserve the longevity of the wig. Also, like most synthetic wigs, it might require a little care to keep the fibers looking fresh, but overall, it's fairly low maintenance. Pros: the lace front and monofilament part really do wonders for the natural look and feel of this wig. The true-to-life, heat-friendly synthetic hair gives you the flexibility to style as you wish. It's lightweight and comfortable thanks to the Memory Cap 3 and velvet-lined ear tabs. The versatility of the style, whether you want to go sleek or piecey, makes it ideal for many different occasions. Cons: while the heat-friendly feature is great, it's still synthetic hair, so I wouldn't recommend super high heat settings to avoid any potential damage. The price point might be a bit higher than some other synthetic wigs on the market, but with the quality and features, it does justify it if you're looking for longevity and versatility. When considering value for money, the Raquel Welch On Your Game wig is priced a little higher than some other wigs, but for good reason. You're getting premium features like the lace front, monofilament part, and Memory Cap 3 that many other wigs don't offer. If you're looking for a wig that not only looks good, but feels like a natural extension of your own hair, this one's definitely worth the investment. If you're thinking about comparing it to other wigs in the same price range, you'll find that while other options may give you basic features, they don't always offer the same level of realism or styling flexibility. Some wigs might be cheaper, but with that, you're sacrificing things like comfort, the natural look of the lace front, and the heat-friendly fibers. So if you're someone who's looking for a wig that delivers both form and function, this one is a solid pick. Now, I haven't had the chance to interact with customer service directly, but Raquel Welch is known for its excellent reputation and top-notch customer support, so I wouldn't expect any issues there if you need assistance. As for longevity, the wig's synthetic fibers are durable, but with proper care, it should last a good while, especially if you stick to lower heat settings and follow the recommended maintenance steps. So, who would benefit most from this wig? If you're someone who loves versatility, whether it's for daily wear, a special event, or even just switching up your look on a whim, you'll appreciate the Raquel Welch On Your Game wig. It's ideal for those who want something lightweight, natural looking, and easy to manage, but still stylish and modern. However, if you're on a tight budget, there are cheaper synthetic options available, though they might not offer the same premium features. Before we wrap up, if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so that other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this one. Thank you for watching, and if you've tried this wig or have any other thoughts, drop a comment below. Let's talk about your experiences with wigs, styles, and how you like to switch things up. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.